And with the coronavirus surging in our area, one of your best defenses may be knowing what's the truth. News 25's Lorraine Weiskopf is live now at the Singing River Hospital, where they're advising the public to remain informed. Lorraine?
Today I'm with Mr. Bond, and that is Lee Bond, the CEO of Singing River's Health System. Now, they have a Q&A that they started at the beginning of the pandemic to keep the public informed, and it's facts, not fears. Now, Lee, I'm going to list off a few of the fears that y'all have listed, and you're just going to give me the facts. Okay. So, fear number 1, wearing a mask is the only way to prevent yourself from catching COVID-19.
No, that's not true. Actually, wearing a mask is important, and we recommend that. It does help, particularly for a person who has it, keeping them from spreading it. But there's a lot more than the mask. The mask alone will not save people. It's a common misconception. People say, I wore a mask. We've had people that have come in the hospital that said, I don't understand how I got it. I wore a mask. And it's because of the fact that people touch their face about once every 3 minutes. So one thing you need to do is not touch your face. That's something very hard for people to do. Another thing is, and it's people have sort of gotten immune to hearing this, but wash your hands. Think about when's the last time you washed your hands? And if it was more than an hour ago, you need to get up and wash your hands because you're going to touch your face inevitably. So masks are important, but they're not the only thing. And I'd say probably the most important thing of all to prevent the spread is when a person has the most minor of symptoms, if they would self-isolate, it would actually stop it faster than mask wearing. And that's because what's happening is people will have a small symptom and they will go out and infect somebody else by a little cough or a little sneeze. If you have the minor symptom, no matter how minor it is, you should isolate immediately. That would help even more than the mask.
Thank you, Lee. And another fear, drinking the Corona beer will give me the coronavirus.
So drinking Corona beer will not give you the coronavirus. However, if you share your beer with somebody, you could get it. So don't share your Corona.
And last fear today, is the coronavirus a man-made conspiracy?
No, there is no way. If we don't have the capability in the world right now to have already developed a vaccine, we don't believe that there is someone out there who could have created this. We do believe it was created. Our infectious disease specialist, Dr. Akena, believes very firmly that it did happen naturally in the market in Wuhan, China, that's how it happened, that it wasn't a man-made concocted thing. But ultimately, you know, we're going to figure this out and we're going to survive. It's going to be tough. We still got some tough times to get through it ahead, but ultimately the world's going to make it. Humanity will survive.
Just stay calm and wash your hands.
Stay calm, wash your hands.
Live in Pascagoula for News 25, I'm Lorraine Weiskopf.